Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your data so the visualization works immediately. Clean inconsistent entries and convert the range into an Excel table with Ctrl+T. This makes formulas and charts update automatically. Once done, select the header row plus the numeric columns you need. Make sure labels are text and numeric fields are numbers. Excel uses types to choose chart options. Now choose Insert and pick a basic chart type to begin. The selection influences available formatting and tells Excel what you want visualized. Next, pick the chart that matches the story you need to tell. For trends, use a line chart. For comparisons, use clustered column. For percent parts, use pie. Once chosen, use chart design to swap rows and columns if series look wrong, and add legend placement that doesn't obscure data. Then refine, add axis titles, data labels, and adjust grid lines for readability. Make sure colors contrast, and use a combo chart if values differ greatly in scale to show both clearly. Finish by polishing formatting and adding interactivity. Apply a consistent color palette. Keep high contrast colors for accessibility. If you convert it to a table, add slicers for quick filtering or create a pivot chart for aggregated views. Once done, position the chart and lock its size if you'll move cells beneath it. If something goes wrong, labels missing or series blank, refresh the table or pivot source, check for text in numeric fields, and make sure your selected range still includes new rows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.